Hey, it's Megan. Welcome back to the channel. Summertime at Dollar Tree, they sell all kinds of really cool items that can actually be used for Christmas. So in this video, we are going over the things you should be buying right now so you can DIY later for Christmas. This is also a collaboration hosted by Shannon, the Daily DIYer, and also her second Christmas channel. If you're not subscribed to that, definitely check it out. The link to the playlist will be down in the description, and all that said, we're getting started right now. Every summer, Dollar Tree will sell pool noodles for only $1. Walmart also sells them for 98 cents, so if you can't find them at Dollar Tree, no big deal, my friend, just go to Walmart. Try to get a red one if possible, and then snatch up some of Dollar Tree's white tape. You can use one of Dollar Tree's broom handle sticks, but I'm just using a wooden dowel from Walmart. It's less than $1. It fits perfectly right into the pool noodle, and then just wrap your tape all the way around your pool noodle and then cut it off at the bottom. Then Dollar Tree's solar lights fit perfectly into the pool noodle. Put that at the top, add a little bit of gel super glue, and one of also from Dollar Tree, their glass bubble vases. And that's it. You have a really cute, cool looking North Pole. And I actually got this idea from Bargain Bethany. She made it into a candle. She also has an entire video on Dollar Tree pool noodle hacks. So check that video out. I'll have it linked in the description. And Shannon, the Daily DIYer in this collaboration, also has an entire video just on pool noodles for Christmas. These star little glass bowls, I guess, I think they're more so sold year-round, although they seem to be more easy to find during the summertime. Snatch up one of those along with some of Dollar Tree's pearl adhesive wrap, or if you can't find the pearl adhesive wrap, no big deal. They also sell these pop-up stickers, and these are so easy to use. You just cut out the amount that you need, stick it to the little glass star, push it down really, really well. The adhesive is really strong. Like, I'm really impressed with how well these adhesive stickers work. And then you just cut off what you don't need. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. And then you can hand paint or spray paint it the color of your choice. If I can, I will always spray paint. I prefer spray painting. And I love this gold hammered color by Rust-Oleum. One coat, that's all it needed, and we're good to go. Then just go through your house and snatch up all of your candles that are almost burnt down, but you don't want to throw them away because you don't like wasting money. And just throw them on your stove, medium to low heat, in some water. Let that sit for about 35 to 45 minutes till it's totally melted down. While our candles are heating up, Dollar Tree does have a candle maker kit where you can get wicks. I got mine from Michael's. And as always, if you go to Michael's, definitely use like one of their 20% off coupons. Sometimes they have 25% off coupons too. So that's where I got my wicks, but it really doesn't matter where you get the wicks. Then just glue them to the bottom of your star. After your wax is all melted up, then you just pour the wax into your star glass bowl. And that's it, my friend. Let that cool and we have a really pretty Christmas candle. The great thing about this though is once the wax burns down again, you can reuse this glass star candle holder. You don't have to throw it away when it's done. I've mentioned before how I love Dollar Tree's hula hoops, not for hula hooping, but if you can't find them at Dollar Tree, Dollar General does have a $1 option too. So snatch up a hula hoop from Dollar Tree or Dollar General, and then for Christmas, Dollar Tree will sell their garland. You just need one of their garlands, and then ideally, Walmart's 9-foot a little bit under $3 garland because it's more full. I just like the look better. So you could use all Dollar Tree garland if you wanted to. It really doesn't matter. But I'm using the 21-inch hula hoop, and you just lay Walmart's garland on top of your wreath, your hula hoop, which is now our wreath. So you're not wrapping the Walmart's garland around the hula hoop. You're just laying it on top. And then when you lay it around, I was able to go around 2 times with the 20-inch hula hoop or 21-inch hula hoop. Then you're going to go back with Dollar Tree's garland and wrap that all the way around. Now, Dollar Tree does sell larger hula hoops, I think all the way up to 30 inches or 31 inches. So if you got one of those size wreaths, you would need more garland from Dollar Tree or from Walmart. And then just go through and fluff the wreath. Even though it's a hula hoop wreath, it makes a huge difference. You always got to fluff your wreath, I'm telling you. And then optional, I just took some white chalk paint and dabbed it on with a paper towel to give it more of a flocked look. And that is it, my friend. you have yourself a really nice, beautiful Christmas wreath. You can add a bow, add some of Dollar Tree's bells. I actually put mine outside over my garage door, and people ask how I hang that. So the 2 windows I hang it below, I use a fishing line and tie it on the inside and then tie that around the wreath. I hope that makes sense. If not, I'll show you when it gets closer to Christmas. Now, I love these little wooden cutouts from Dollar Tree. And these stars right here, now they are sold year round, but I feel like for Christmas, they're going to go super fast. But what isn't sold around Christmas time are these buffalo check, buffalo plaid, whatever you want to call it, napkins. Just take your star, spray paint it white, and then take a regular old glue stick, put that all over the star, and then just press your napkin down. The napkins are super thin, so I actually just found it easier to pull the paper away and then take some sandpaper to lightly sand away the rigid edges. And that's it. There you go. Cute little star. And of course, you could customize this if you wanted to put a letter in the middle or the year, baby's first Christmas, whatever. So Dollar Tree does sell party hats, and that would definitely be the easier way for this DIY. But the cheaper way is just to snatch up some of their poster board. The white, I believe you get 2 for $1. Roll it up into a cone, take some tape, and just tape it off. And then we have so many options with this. This is the only hard part, though, by the way, is cutting off the bottom. I found it easiest just to hang it over the side of the table and try my best to cut a straight line. So one option is you can just take some of their beads found in the party section. I don't know if the beads are actually sold year-round. I find them, I don't know, maybe there are. My Dollar Tree doesn't always carry them, so I actually had to drive like 2 towns over to pick these up. But you can just put these all over the cone, hot glue it. It doesn't matter what colors you get. And then I actually didn't hot glue every single line, just only the beginning and the end. And then the very last line, you add a boatload of hot glue all the way around the bottom. And you can paint this by hand. As always, I love spray painting, and I just found this black hammered metal spray paint, which I'm in love with. So that's what I used for my cone. Or another good idea would be to use some spray adhesive and some glitter to make it really colorful. Or if you just got all the same color beads, you could totally omit spray painting or painting altogether. But another option is just to use the adhesive pearl wrap like we used in the candle DIY. And then new, or at least new to me, at my Dollar Tree, are these boas. So I don't know if this is just like a one-time thing, if they're going to carry this all the time, but you can also make a feather Christmas tree. And I think this looks super duper pretty. In fact, I do not believe the photo does this any type of justice. Go ahead and raise your hand in the comments if you were excited that Dollar Tree got these little wooden truck cutouts. Even more excited if you actually found one in your store. These I actually found in Kentucky, not in the Texas area when I was up there from stuff for my dad. But if you like to sell wreaths or you make stuff for Christmas, the red truck sells like hotcakes. And you get 2 of them, really, not just one, because it's supposed to be a little stand-up decor. You can just paint it red or spray paint it red. I would have spray painted, but it was raining this day. And then for Christmas, Dollar Tree will carry a little 2-pack of trees. Hot glue that to the back of your truck. And then one option is you could actually turn this into a wreath. I did that last year. I'll show a little picture. Or I was thinking it'd be cool too to take one of Dollar Tree's little napkin holders, hot glue that truck to the front to use this as a mail holder at work or at your home office or in your kitchen, wherever. And it's not permanent. Hot glue will peel off of metal. So I just thought this was a super cute way to use this truck. And hey, thank you so much for watching, my friend. Don't forget to check out the other videos. It's going to be in the playlist. There's a great group of chicks in this collaboration. So much love to you, and I will catch you next time.